Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a GM Studio and or just regular game maker tutorial. Now, guys, in this tutorial we're going to be covering a topic that has been well, I guess, asked many times on the internet, and that is how to create a game in which that when you click on the screen, a bullet is created and it flies towards your mouse point or the point in which you clicked. So, guys, just to get us started, I'm just going to be using the Bouncy Movement engine, which is an engine I created previously just for the sake of simplicity. Now what's going to happen is, I'm just going to show you it right here. So it's basically just bouncing around, hence why I called it the Bouncy Movement Engine. So enough of that, let's get on to the programming. And also, by the way, if you did want to have a look at that video, I'll be sure to post a link in the description. So if we want bullets, we're going to have to make a bullet sprite, of course. So let's create a new sprite, and let's just set it 8 by 8. That's how I like to do it when I have 32 by 32 character sprites. So let's edit the image. Is it gonna let us edit it? Come on. Come on. There we go. I don't know what's going on today. You'd think the double click would work. Anywho, let's get moving. So I just like to have it, just make a black circle here. Whoops, I'd like to have anti-alias. Thank you very much. Okay, okie doke. Let's keep on going. So we have our bullet sprite. Now we're going to be creating a bullet object, of course. So let's go obby_bullet. So bullet sprite, pretty simple. Now this is where we're going to actually be using a tiny bit of GML today, and that is that in our creation event we're going to set it to be able to point towards the mouse. So how this is going to work is, what we have to do is we have to set the direction. So I assume you guys know what the direction variable is. So direction equals point direction, so point_direction. And then you have our two brackets. Inside our brackets we want x and y, just the variables x followed by y. And then following that, in x2 and y2 we want to have mouse_x and mouse_y. So what's going on here is it's setting the direction to whatever the mouse is. Now following this, we want to go speed, and let's just set it something to static. I'm just going to let's do 11. Okay, so direction is point direction, x, y, mouse, x, mouse, y, sorry. So what's happening is it's pointing towards the mouse, and then speed is just 11. Cool. The reason we do this in this create event is because what we're going to do is we're going to set it so whenever you click, an instance of this is created. So let's go obby_char. Let's just do add event, and we're going to do mouse, go down to global mouse, and go global left pressed. Now inside global left pressed, we're going to go to main1 and create an instance of the object bullet. Now be sure to set it to x0, y0 and make it relative. Now the reason we do this is because what's happening is we want to create an instance of it at exactly the point of the character sprite, and then in this creation event, because it's got the direction and speed already there, it's going to send flying towards where the mouse was when clicked. So let's do this now. Okay, let's go. Okay, and also just to let you know, with the depth of the character, I'd like to have the bullet a bit deeper so the character is on top. Come on, there we go. So we'd like to have the bullet a bit deeper, so we'll just set it to 100, sorry. And let's give this a quick run now. So now what's going to happen is we can still move around as normal, but when we click we see a bullet is created that is going to fly towards where our cursor was. So I can click there and I can click there. As you can see, they go to their different points. Now you might be wondering as to what's happening. Why aren't they all going towards the why aren't they all going, for instance, like I click there, then I click there. They go to different points. You might be wondering why aren't they all just going straight to where the mouse is whenever. So I'll just have bullets flying straight to the mouse. The reason is mouse X and mouse Y will change depending on your click. So here in this instance, mouse X and mouse Y would be there. In this instance, mouse X and mouse Y would be there. But what's happening is it's only checking for when you're actually clicking. So what that means is it won't change over time. It's just going to be there, and it's not going to stop moving in that direction unless we put it in another piece of code that will change its path. Anyway, but we're not going to do that today. So anyway, guys, that is, I guess, about it for the point and I guess the clicking, and then you go ahead and it shoots a bullet straight at that direction of your mouse. Now this has been widely requested on the web. I just wanted to put that out again. I really hope you enjoyed my video, guys. I hope it solved your problem in Game Maker. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more content, and thanks very much, guys. I'll be sure to see each and every one of you next time.